Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle, and in today's video I'll be showing you my workspace for online school. But before we get into today's video, if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I post a lot of lifestyle tips for school slash day in the life slash beauty slash just everything, just a lot of stuff. And I know we're in a pandemic, so I'll make videos for you guys to enjoy at home, or videos that'll be helpful for you. I'd love to have y'all be a part of my, virtual fam. Make sure to like and comment because it helps my channel grow, it helps my videos get out there for other people to see, and it'll help me to continue making videos for you guys and continue doing what I love doing. I'm really excited because I've been wanting a desk for quite some time, and since the pandemic, it's been pretty hard to find a desk because people have been buying them up very quickly. So I finally got my desk and I'm very happy about that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my desk now because I'm pretty sure that's what you've been waiting for. So I was pretty intentional about every item that I have on my desk, and I wanted a space for myself that was functional. It allowed me to be productive, but also reflected like my personal style. And this desk is from IKEA. It took forever to get this desk because people would buy them up whenever they would go back in stock. The instructions were extremely complicated, and I tried to do it by myself, but I couldn't. So I have this little jar here, and it has a plant inside of it, and I got both of them separately, but they look nice together. And I just like how it brightens my room. I got this at Michael's, and I'm pretty sure they'll have similar stuff at Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I actually got this chair, this chair was like $30. It's not really expensive. I kind of want to show you guys in here because I didn't really say much about what's in here. So this is my school planner. I have plans for different stuff just to stay organized. And then I just have my basic school supplies here. Notes, folders. And we got binders. Some sticky notes right here. These are bigger ones. Pad notes, I guess you could say. And it's just the bigger stuff is in here. I got this candle. It was $5. And normally I wouldn't like smells like this, but it's not a really strong smell. It's nice and calming. I got this little frame quote thing from my mom. She got it for me. I thought it was fitting, so I put it here. This is my MacBook, and I got the scan from Unique Find. I thought it was really cute and I thought it was pretty, so I got it, and it matches with my desk. I'm gonna be using a laptop for school really often because it is quarantine. I'll have online class, I'll be in class with my teachers. So I have this stand here because it just makes everything easier, when it's higher. When I'm at school, you know how on the little keyboards at your school computers, the things at the bottom so I can raise up the keyboard. And I have a little drawer right here. Have my Fitbit charger, my phone charger. We got some sticky notes in here just for quick easy access while I'm actually sitting at my desk. Now I have an hourglass for decoration, and underneath it I have a coaster, a vinyl coaster, which matches the vinyl clock in my room. I have a clock mainly for decoration. This isn't the right time, the actual time, but I think it looks cute. This is my favorite item. This is my desk lamp. And the light is dim because I don't like really bright lights in my room. Even when I'm just in my room doing whatever, I have these dim fairy lights because I don't like super bright lights, and it keeps me focused and helps me stay calm. I also got this lamp from Target. I'll link it in the description box. Above my desk, I have a wall organizing. Here I have my YouTube planner. I have different planners for different things. Here I have pens. And then I have a bookmarks. I like magnetics. I like to read, so I have reading gadget stuff for myself that I like. And then I have note cards and some sticky notes, and then some binder clips and little smiles. This is my utility storage cart. It has just some extra stuff in here, like extra binder clips and pencils and highlighters, and I have staplers and the stapler remover. I have some markers, and then down here I have books that I like. I have other books in my nightstand, but these are just some books. The Gentleman's Guide to Vice and Virtue, that's a really good book. I haven't finished it yet, but it's good. Or Time Bomb was really good, and I haven't read Dirty Diaries in a long time, but it's for a bit of nostalgia. Cleaning supplies on this bottom shelf because my dog pees on my floor. Getting potty trained because she's still a puppy, so when she does use the bathroom on my floor, I have stuff to clean it, and then that's so she doesn't bite the stuff up in my room, and then that's just for breathe. That is the end of my desk tour. I'll have everything that I showed you guys today linked in the description box, so if there's anything you saw that you're interested in or that you like, you can click the link in the description box below and you can go purchase it if you want to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found this helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've only been on YouTube for like a few weeks, so the support I've been getting is really nice. So thank you guys for that. Really makes me happy. I also want to give a special shout out to the people who are here from my mom's channel. My mom has a YouTube channel. It's nice to see you guys. I haven't seen you guys in a little bit. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and vibe out in the comment section, you know, with me. But make sure you come back so I can see you again, you can see me again, we can have a good time. Also, before I leave, if there are any videos that you'd like to see, any topics of me to talk about, anything, just leave it in the comment section below and I will be reading the comments, you know. Anyway, bye.
Oh my gosh. No.